job. Okay, where's your marbles? See, this is Wyatt's idea. Oh, playhouse. Okay. Shoot your marbles.
Shoot my marbles. Oh, there they go.
There they go. Whoa! Look at that.
Here that one go. Come on.
What happened?
That one don't roll.
Oh, it's flat. Okay, this marble is a flat one. So we'll roll. Okay.
How about that one?
That one is
Our
as a
marbles.
whole. Yeah. Okay. That one will roll. Good. I'll shoot that one. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. So you can put it up. Oh, okay. Faster, because my dear mama gonna be coming. And go, boy. Boy is driving. Pretty soon gonna have his license. Look at mama's car. Then Wyatt can ride. We're going to the park. We're going to the beach.
We're going to the beach.
Not this time though. We can go ice fishing.
Ice fish? We're going
To the pond.
pond?
We're gonna ice fishing.
How you do that, Auntie?
We can have our ice fish
Fish?
pole and then dig on the ice and then
Dig
put
on
the
ice.
Fishing rod
Down.
to the hole with the ice. Got water under, and then the fish will see the worm, and the fish will eat the worm, and when it's
It blew out the big marble.
okay,
It can
this will
blow.
be fun.
Let's roll now.
But it's gonna be cold.
I want to roll now. Please.
What you gonna roll? Another roll?
And roll down here. I want to roll up here.
Okay, yeah.
Here.
Why you always have something to do?
More
Whoa!
power. More power.
More power. Okay.
There, it's perfect.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay.
I'm fire. A new one.
More tighter.
Another one. Please.
Okay. More on the top. There. Oh boy. Look at aunties. Yes! You
I
get
want
it.
more higher. I can.
There. You need your catcher. You need your catcher, baby. Your can to catch.
Like that.
Good. See, a simple toy to play.
I did.
Alright. Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye, camera.
Ad-
Hi, Bessie. I played today, Bessie.
Yes, of course. That's all you can do.
That's Bessie.
Alright.
Who's Bessie, Auntie? Is
Okay.
it she, Bessie? Is it Bessie, Bessie?
Busy, busy.
Bessie? Get like... Get like...
Now, when we play our cars, we play race car. The car race, whatever. Okay. And now the last time to see your project today. Wow.
More higher, more higher.